Hi, this video will give you a short introduction on how to log into Canvas for JCS Pine Hills Academy. I will also give you a quick tour of the dashboard and navigation menu in the student view of Canvas. To start, make sure that you are using the most up-to-date version of your browser. If you are not using the Chrome browser, I would suggest that you download it. To find out if you're using the most up-to-date version in the browser for Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, find Help and then About Google Chrome. This will check for version updates and let you know which version that you're running. So to go to the JCS Pine Hills Academy Canvas portal, enter juliancharterinstructure.com in the navigation bar, and you should see a login menu. Now at this point, I would bookmark this page to make it easy to find in the future. And to do that, you select this star that's in the navigation menu. When you do that, it'll ask you where you want to put this bookmark and make sure that you put it in the bookmarks bar. And I have it here in my bookmarks bar. So to log in, use the password information provided on your information card, and this is the same login that you'll use to log into Google Apps. Now, if this is the first time logging into our Canvas portal, you may be prompted to allow Canvas to access your Google information. Please click I agree. You may also be asked to agree to the terms of use for Canvas. Again, please indicate that you agree and hit submit. If you're successful logging in, you should see your class dashboard. And your dashboard should contain tiles for all of your classes. To the left of the page, you will see the navigation menu. Under Account, you'll see Notification, Files, Settings, ePortfolios, and you should also see a Profile. And to change your picture, you open up the profile information and add your picture. You'll also see the dashboard menu, and when you click on this, it'll take you to the dashboard. So this is my teacher dashboard, and I have unpublished courses and unpublished courses. Students will not see unpublished courses. If after school starts, however, and you're not seeing a course, you can go under Courses, and this will give you your current courses, and then All Courses gives you your past courses. And if a current course is not showing up on the dashboard, what you can do is select All Courses and highlight the star that's in front of the course. And when you go back to Dashboard, that course will show up. Now this is down here because it's unpublished. Okay. The next thing that you'll see in the student view is the calendar. And the calendar is important because it shows you all of your classes. And so once school starts, you'll see all of your different classes showing up, and you can filter which calendars you see. You can also add reminders of your own to the calendar. So it's a very powerful tool. And then finally, the inbox is where you can email instructors and see emails from instructors. So please make sure to check this daily. Now, parents, if you'd like to have access to Canvas, please go to juliancharter.instructure.com and log in with the email and password that you use to enroll your student. I hope this quick tour of Canvas helps you get started. Remember that we're all here to help, so please do not hesitate to ask questions if you have any. Thanks!